Hakane ka step ka ba pernai. Kam tham, yapi ki past peoples, past teachers, well-wishers, kinong karshan yung hane ka school ba ye chungi. Kum juru, kik me kik pa yung kikin school chungi, ki badang pule menta. Ngade, Sister Terina Menezes, Principal Jonkaneka School, Little Flower, High Secondary School, Mawbri, Hakakarting Jonka Management Committee, Hinong Hikay, Bat Kikinna School Baro, Ngakamen, Ban Kors nearby, Pi Iwe Paiwe, Shakaneka Opening Ceremony, Jonka Jubili Ksiar, Jonka School Jungi, Kaban Salong, Haka Hindreu Tarik, November, Arpo Sao, Hakapo, Shipo Baje, Mestek. Dear friends, we are inaugurating our Jubilee celebrations, marking 50 years of shaping young minds with a colorful opening ceremony. Hence, once again I take this opportunity to invite the past peoples, past teachers, well-wishers and benefactors who had been the part of this school, along with the parents of our present students, to attend this event with your gracious presence and make it more colorful and memorable. Sungeba, what pep ban shimbentanang badni ha katokasni. Kublishibu, kublebun kerkuyapi badyangiru kunju.